Townsend from Fasst Company Flex Handlebars. We're here at the Rocky Mountain Mesquite ADV Rally, which has just been an amazing event. So many great riders and so much fun. Everybody's just super stoked on the terrain, and obviously the facility here is first class and made so much progress in the past couple of years. So super fortunate to be here. We're really close to home, just up the road in St. George. So dropping down here every day to talk to our customers and help out and set up flex handlebars. And it's been a really fun weekend, and super stoked to be here. If you're not familiar with our products, our flagship product is our flex handlebars. It's the stiffest bar through the steer path, which allows it to be forgiving in the load path. It maintains a traditional feel and input like a traditional bar, but adds a lot of comfort. It's tunable through different elastomers, and each elastomer is further tunable on its own as well. So we set up this bar with a soft side and a stiff side just so the customer can kind of see how it works. Yeah, it's really unique. We're more about what we don't do than what we do with our philosophy, meaning that if it's not a traditional feel and input with anything from our pegs to our bars, we're not interested in doing it. I never want to devalue your input to the bike or minimize control or feel or feedback. So we're really specific on what we do. So the bar is extremely stiff through the steer path, which allows it to be forgiving in the load path. Here we have our impact peg, which is the same deal. The cleat is isolated from touching metal to metal anywhere. So the vibration from the motorcycle resonates out through the frame, but our cleat is completely isolated through our elastomers, through a top out and a compression elastomer. So that really squelches the vibration. Exceptional traction, great feel. We've mounted some on some customers' bikes this weekend that they weren't familiar with our technology, and they came back with rave reviews. And we built them for adventure bikes. We had an adventure size, a moto size. We have them in supercross, all down to adventure riders. So this is our rear brake clevis and rear brake spring kit. The clevis takes all the play out of the pedal. So you'll find this on the Bar X Yamaha. You'll find it on Quad Lock Honda. Actually, our brake spring kit you're going to find on Chase Sexton's KTM. So they reached out to us this year for a little better pedal feel for Chase, and he's been running it most of the season. So just some little value-added products we have that just further enable your feel of what the motorcycle is doing. We're committed to being American-made. We machine everything in our shop in St. George, Utah, Washington, Utah. So everything we do here is American-made. This is our spoke torque wrench. It's our original product. So we released this in 1999, actually through Mike Osler at Factory Honda at the time. Mike's still using those same wrenches from 99 to today. All the factory mechanics worldwide run our spoke torque wrench. So it's just unique. A unique product, really fills a good void, allows the customer to maintain the wheels just as, say, Mike Osler or any of the factory mechanics. So especially in the adventure world, our threaded anti-vibration inserts are a really popular product. It's a great way to anchor your handguards, and they don't slip out, and it reduces the vibes. And you can use them in our bars. Most customers put them in a traditional bar if they haven't already transitioned to our bar. So here's an example of our adventure peg. It's really big, and then our moto pegs. So again, they absorb the vibration and abuse. You can choose your color for elastomers. You make them specifically for each application, so the fit is really well. I don't have any mountain bike bars here, unfortunately, but here's our catalog on mountain bike bars. So I know there's a lot of guys, especially transitioning to e-bikes, and our mountain bike bar is exceptional, especially with how much weight you put on your hands on the mountain bike, how the ergos are. So it just smooths everything out. Again, it's extremely stiff through the steer path, so traditional feel and input, but just adding so much comfort. So that's a little bit about what we do here. I didn't bring all of our products, but yeah, we're 100% American made and do everything in-house, and have a great crew, and super fortunate. I'm Cole from Fasst Company Flex Handlebars. You can purchase all our products through Rocky Mountain. They got great service, and if you have questions, you need help choosing a bar bend or what peg or spoke wrench application will work best for you, always reach out, and then you can go back to Rocky Mountain and purchase all of our products.